Hello there viewers, today we are going to unbox our newest BetB SC-24-014 calculators. We are also going to talk about its features, its function and capabilities, safety guidelines and precautions, some frequently asked questions, troubleshooting, and product warranty. So for now, just sit and relax and enjoy this ASMR unboxing video. Aside from the calculator, it also comes with a brochure that will surely guide you while you are exploring your new BetB SC-24-014 calculator. Our BetB SC-24-014 calculator comes with a different great features. First on the list is its large display, which allows us to enjoy the second feature. SC-24-014 calculator allows the user to enter up to 16-digit numbers. Third feature is its positive and negative button. It also has a memory function, but unlike any other calculator in the market today, SC-24-014 comes with a double memory function. Fifth feature is its marker function. We also have the grand total key, the decimal or rounding display, the square root button, and lastly, this calculator comes with a dual power source. We have the solar cell power and the alkaline power. The functions and capabilities of our BetB SC-24-014 are 1. It can do the 6 basic functions: the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and even the calculations for square roots and percentage. Second, with its double memory function, it can handle 2 numerical calculations at the same time. And this is good for both addition and subtraction calculations. And actually, this is great news for those users who involve multiple calculations or multiple processes before arriving to a certain result. Third, it can enter up to 16-digit numbers. Fourth, it can set the decimal or rounding places to the desired number points. You can always set your calculator to 0 if you want a whole number result, or you can also set it to 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places, and 4 decimal places. And if ever your professor asks you to give a result with 6 decimal places, you can always set it to a floating calculations, and this will give you the exact number or a result that was not rounded yet. Fifth, it has a positive and negative button which allows simple calculations for integers. And lastly, it has a markup function that allows an easier business finance related calculations. For the installation of our BetB SC-24-014 calculator, we only have 2 steps. First is to take out the calculator from its box. Second step is to on the calculator by pressing the on button. That's it. You can now enjoy using your calculator.
Safety guidelines. BetB observe and ensure that this product, SC-24-014, was manufactured and compliance to product safety requirements and regulations to assure purchasers and users that the product is safe to use. Avoiding trapping the products. Water can indeed damage in innards of the SC-24 calculators. It because promote corrosions, and the corrosions may disable the calculator's electronic circuitry. Avoiding exposing your calculators to direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Wipe the exteriors of the SC-24-014 using the soft and dry cloth, and avoid applying pressures to the screen or display. Do not place heavy objects on the top of the products, and store products in the dry place when it's not in use.
We have 5 frequently asked questions on our list just to guide you users on how to use our BetB SC-24-014 calculator. Question number 1 is, what is the lifespan of the calculator's battery power? Well, to begin with, this calculator actually comes with a dual source power. We have the solar cell power and the alkaline battery. Now the lifespan of the alkaline battery actually depends on the usage or on how the users utilized our product. Just a quick info that BetB has a service center where you can request for battery replacement for your calculator. And it's always safe to avoid changing the battery by yourself. Our second question is, why do I get the wrong answer when doing a percentage calculation? Well, you might have pressed the equal button after pressing the percentage button. In our BetB SC-24-014 calculator, when you're doing a percentage calculation, the percentage button after your percentage number is already enough. No need to press the equal button to get the result. Our third question on our list is, why do I keep getting a decimal point when I am only calculating for whole numbers? Well, you need to check your decimal point button. It might be set on add mode. Set it on 0 if you're only calculating for whole numbers, and set it on 2 if you're looking for an answer with 2 decimal places, on 3 if 3 decimal places, 4 if 4 decimal places, and you can also set it to floating calculations if you want higher decimal places. Well, our fourth question is actually connected to our third. Can I set or adjust the number of decimal points? Again, yes, you can. Make sure the decimal point is on the number of decimal places you want. And now we are on our last question. What keys or buttons should I use for exponential equation? Well, the first step for this is to refresh the program or the memory of your SC-24-014 calculator by pressing the on button. After that, you can type in your whole number and then press the multiplication button. Now, the last step is to press the equal button depending on the exponent number of your equation. For example, you can press the equal button once if your exponent is 2, twice if your exponent is 3, and then so on.
Troubleshooting. If buttons are unresponsive, press on CA to refresh. Check for any debris or dirt around the buttons or clean if necessary. Press each button firmly. If display showing incorrect numbers, refresh the calculator by pressing on CA. Check for any stuck buttons and release them. Ensure correct entry methods are used in calculations. If calculators is producing inaccurate calculations, make sure you are using the correct operations. Check the decimal around point display. You might have set it to add mode. Important. If issues persist after following these procedures, you may contact BetB customer service for further assistance. The BetB SC-24-014 calculator has an automatic unlimited warranty of 1 year. However, certain terms and conditions must be followed to avail this warranty. Number 1. Warranty is only applicable to calculators purchased from the company, authorized by the dealers within the country. Valid proof of purchase or warranty card must be presented. Number 3. Damage must not be caused by the accidental damage, including dropping, water damage, or improper storage. Number 4. Damage must not be caused by the repair done by other people not authorized by the BetB. And lastly, the model or the serial number of the product must be the same as what the recorded on the proof of the purchase or warranty card.